Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute faux galvanized metal dollhouse ornament. We are going to start with about 14 jumbo popsicle sticks with the rounded ends cut off. You can make yours any size you want, but if you want to make it the same size as mine, you will need 2 sticks for the sides that are 4 inches, 1 for the bottom that is 3.5, and for the top you will need 2 3-inch pieces. Start with your bottom piece and glue both sides on, making sure to hold them in place until the glue sets. Next, you will glue your top pieces together. I kind of held it over the base to make sure the dimensions were correct. Now you can add a support piece. And now you can glue your roof section onto the house. Now you can add a middle support piece, which will also divide the floors of the dollhouse. Now to attach the back. I laid out 7 sticks and laid the dollhouse frame on top of it and then traced the shape. When you are cutting out your back pieces, make sure to cut on the inside of your lines. Once everything is cut out, you can start gluing them on. Now it's time to paint. Start by covering your whole dollhouse ornament in black paint. Now we're going to be using a small sponge and dab on some silver paint, leaving a little bit of the black exposed. So I ended up doing about 4 coats of silver paint on mine, but my paint seemed to fade a bit as it dried. I decided last minute to make a small wreath for mine. I just took some sheet moss and glued it into a circle and then glued it on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.